Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video for you. This is where we talk about hair, business, skincare, and everything in between. Are you ready for some extreme hair growth secrets? Today I'll be going into the world of hair care with a topic that many of you have been asking about: extreme hair growth. I'll be sharing 3 powerful ingredients with you that will help you achieve those luscious locks you've always dreamed of. Plus, I'll finish off with an amazing hair treatment recipe. So let's get started. But first, if you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. So what are these magical ingredients for extreme hair growth? Let's break it down one by one. First up, we have rosemary oil. This oil is a superstar for hair growth, and here's why. It improves circulation. Rosemary oil improves blood circulation when applied to your scalp. This increases blood flow that helps to stimulate the hair follicles, encouraging new growth. It's also a DHT blocker. DHT is a hormone responsible for hair loss, and by reducing its effects, rosemary oil can help prevent hair thinning. It also is rich in antioxidants, so that helps to protect the hair follicles from damage and promotes overall scalp health. The next ingredient we have is castor oil. This thick oil is rich and is a staple in hair care. And here's why it works wonders for hair growth. It is rich in renoleic acid, a fatty acid that helps to balance the pH of the scalp, reducing dandruff and creating a healthy environment for hair growth. It deeply moisturizes and conditions the scalp, preventing dryness and flakiness, which can improve hair growth. So regular use of castor oil can improve the elasticity and strength of your hair, reducing breakage and split ends. Our third ingredient is aloe vera, a miracle plant for hair growth, and here's why it's so effective. The enzymes in the nutrients are key. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp, along with a rich mix of vitamins and minerals that promote healthy hair growth. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe the scalp, reducing irritation and potential hair loss caused by conditions like dandruff. Aloe vera also deeply hydrates the scalp and the hair, helping to lock in moisture and preventing dryness. Now that we have covered the benefits of these amazing ingredients, let's put them together in a powerful hair treatment. Here are the ingredients you'll need: 1/4 cup of castor oil, 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, and 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel. In a small bowl, combine together the rosemary oil, the castor oil, and the aloe vera gel. Mix it to get a smooth consistency. So this mask, you apply it to your hair by parting your hair into sections. You can increase the amount of aloe vera gel and oil in the recipe to meet the requirements of the length of your hair. It can be longer or shorter. That means it can be more or less, or it might be just the perfect recipe. Put your hair into sections and apply the mixture directly to your scalp using fingers or a brush. Make sure to massage it well to stimulate the blood flow in your scalp. Apply the rest to the length of your hair. Once your scalp is covered, leave it on for at least 30 minutes by covering up your hair with a shower cap and sitting under a hooded dryer to allow the oils in the aloe vera to penetrate deeply. So this treatment, you can use it as a pre-poo. The next step is after 30 minutes, you can go and rinse your hair with lukewarm water, follow with your shampoo and your conditioner. And there you have it, a powerful hair treatment recipe using rosemary oil, castor oil, and aloe vera. Use this treatment once a week for best results, and you'll be on your way to achieving extreme hair growth and healthier, shinier hair. As always, maintain your natural beauty and just keep loving your curls.